Hey guys, Kelly with JK Cruising. So we have got a treat for you guys today. We are going to show you our experience at La Petite Chef on board the Celebrity Beyond. This is so cool, so imaginative. The food was great. I hope you guys enjoy. Remember, like, subscribe, share us to all your friends.
Hi, I'm Jody.
And I'm Kelly.
And we're JK Cruising.
Every morning, every evening, so your customers will say, such a feather, eat the spice, a bit of chili would be nice. Just watch out, you'll get sparks on the fire. And when you stop it moving, your guests will be amazed. So boo, with my boo, that's how you learn to be a chef. Luckily, I can cook better than I can sing. So, take a list, add some flair to the meals that you prepare, and together with your team, you come closer to your dream. No worries about failing, we'll help you learn new skills, like roasting and boiling, and steaming and chip-blazing. Find things out, be easy, only think about the flavor, and you know you'll go far when you get that restaurant star, and you are a chef.
Enjoy.
It's got onion in it, you don't want
The Randy will have to eat yours.
He'll make the sacrifice. Yeah, he tries that often.
You want to try some? It's chocolatey. Don't get your big swappa stick. That caramel's right in the middle.
Is that good?
That's good. That good chocolate.
Don't worry about it. Go at it.
Oh my goodness. We just ordered that.
So we hope you enjoy the video and let's go cruising.